Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another R6 vlog. And today we're going to try something different. I hope you can hear me. We're in a garage and we're going to try to tint our headlights. We're using a light tint, which is like a 30% tint. Sorry for the background lights. I might have to be moving around in order to get them to light up. So we're using a light tint that's around the 30% tint for the front lights. We're going to go follow the procedures. This is the first time that I'm doing it. I don't know how it's going to turn out. My knowledge is purely based on other videos that I've seen online. We've got our scissors, we've got our tape. We have put the tape around so as not to cause any scratches. We don't have a sharp razor, but we've got a knife that we're going to try and cut it. Obviously, this is not the right tool. If you have any kind of a razor, it will work much better. And the whole concept is that we're going to use our sheet of, that you can see over here, we're going to apply it over. We're going to use, instead of a squeegee, because I don't have any, we're going to use a soft material, which is just like a mobile case, just a plastic area to push a little bit. We're going to try to get all the bubbles out. We've got a hair dryer that we're going to use to kind of warm it up. I've also got a hot gun, but I think the temperature of the hot gun might be too much. And because this is the first time that I'm doing it, I thought, try it like that and see how it goes. I'm going to leave the camera on. I'll try to leave the camera on and we'll go through the process. I might fast forward it and I might pause whenever there's some sort of information to sort of share with you. So, first step, I'm going to clean the area. I've got a microfiber cloth, I've got a wet side and a dry side. So, okay, so this is as dry as it can get. You will be better off if you use alcohol to further clean the surface even better, but we will do with what we have. So sometimes I use my headlight for this area because the light goes out quickly and so I don't have to get up all the time. Okay guys, so like I said, I'm not expert. We just applied it. We cut around the edges a little bit, slowly. There seems not to be any bubbles within or any air gaps, let's say. One thing that I might have done different, probably use a better razor and cut a little bit more material on the outside to be able to push it within the hedges a little bit more and cover the light better. But again, you have to be careful not to leave either too much material so that it gets scrunched up when you push it inside, or you might also cut your plastic. So what I did is I cut it on the edge, just enough to tack it over. It seems as if when you apply the heat actually helps it in order for it to be able to stretch out, and I think it kind of enables the glue, let's say, because before I put the heat, it did look a little bit strange. I'm going to clean it. For some reason, it seems as if there's scratches on top of this vinyl. It's a cheap piece of vinyl, it's nothing special. We'll try it. I'll try to do it on the other leg also, see how it works out, if I like it or not. See what it looks like on the day, see what it looks like with the lights open and stuff. Do a little bit of test drive with it. Already we see a big difference. The bike does look a little bit more blackish, a little bit more darkish and stuff. How much is that going to affect the light? It should not affect. As you can see, it is not as dark. It's just enough to give that darker sort of look so the lights don't stand out as much. And again, if we don't like it, you can easily just peel it off, take it off, warm it up again, and be done. My goal is to do this headlight, this one, the little area here, and also the back light. So try to cover whatever white sort of light there is. So yeah, that's about it. And I might, when I finish it, share some footage with everybody and just show the final result.
And we're back, everybody. This is what it looks like, end result. I know the light is not so good. I will show additional footage during the day, but it turned out awesome, fucking awesome. Look how dark it looks. And let's go close up a little bit just for you to see. Basically, it doesn't stand out as much, yet you do see that, you know, it's a mirror behind. The result, as far as if you go close, you will see that it is not perfect. I did cut it around properly. I also did this side quite good because the lights were big. Because this section, I did a mistake at the top, which shows that it's not perfect. It's got a couple of creases on the little area, but nevertheless, it looks good enough. From this distance, you can't tell nothing. You have to go really so close to understand. Similarly, on the back end side, this is what it looks like. So, it's all black, as you can see. Show it like that. Nice and beautiful. Again, like I said, all around here the edges is not perfect. At the top here there's a lot of creases, but I really don't give a fuck. I'll say it as simple as that. Looks good. And as far as the lights go, when you turn the bike on, so yeah, this is a little update of the R6, give it a more mean look, a much more nice aesthetic, in my opinion at least. And overall it took me around probably 30 minutes. 30 minutes, like I said, I didn't put any tape and everything, it was quite quick. 30 minutes of low quality. Overall cost, I would say something like 10 bucks, that's it. 10 bucks in 30 minutes. 10 bucks in 30 minutes, and this is the result. Okay guys, so I'd like to thank everybody very much. Let's do a spin around one more time. Look at the back, looks fucking awesome. During the daytime it will also look fucking sick. And that's it.
I'd like to thank everybody for your time, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hold on, you can't see me, you can't see me. You can't see me. We've always got this problem in the garage with things and not people being able to see me. Alright, so thank you very, very much everybody, and I'll bid you goodbye. Goodbye.